Hey Jake, have you ever wondered what life would be like if cats ruled the world?
Not really. But I'm guessing it would involve a lot of napping and chasing laser pointers?
Precisely. And speaking of hypothetical scenarios, let's dive into the magical world of conditional tenses. Buckle up, Jake, because we are about to explore the first and second conditionals.
Oh boy, more grammar adventures. Hit me with it, Sarah.
Alright, first up, we have the first conditional. Picture this: if it rains tomorrow, I'll bring an umbrella.
Got it. So that's like a real situation, right? If it happens, then I'll do something.
Exactly. You're catching on faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Now, let's sprinkle in some humor. Imagine you're planning a picnic and I say, if we run out of food, I'll just eat my sandwich.
Wait, so you're saying your sandwich is the backup plan?
Hey, in a world of uncertainties, a sandwich is as reliable as it gets. Now on to the second conditional.
Is that the one where we imagine unlikely or imaginary situations?
Bingo. You're sharper than a tack. Imagine this: if I were a superhero, I'd have the power to make pizza magically appear.
That would be the best superpower ever.
Right? Who needs to save the world when you can save hunger cravings? Now, let's get even more absurd. Picture this scenario: if pigs could fly, we'd have to watch out for flying bacon.
Haha, watch out for airborne breakfast.
Precisely. The second conditional lets us explore wild possibilities and hypothetical situations that probably won't happen.
Got it. So, first conditional for real stuff, and second conditional for imaginary stuff.
You're a grammar genius, Jake. Now, let's wrap this up before we get lost in a sea of flying pigs and sandwich superheroes.
Agreed. Thanks for the lesson, Sarah. You make grammar almost as fun as imagining cats ruling the world.
Hey, stranger things have happened. Now, let's go conquer the English language, one conditional tense at a time.
To infinity and beyond.